In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to replace the internal battery in your Cadillac SRX key fob. This is a really easy process. It'll just take you a couple of minutes. The only special thing you will need is one of these CR2032 batteries. If you'd like to get one of those online, I will put a link in the description over here on YouTube that will take you over to Amazon, where you can get the exact battery that you need for this device for just a couple of bucks. So you can go ahead and check that out if you're interested. And then the only other thing we will need is a regular flathead screwdriver. The first step is to look down on the bottom here where there is this, where the key ring would attach, and right along the seam in the plastic there is a small opening. You can see that right there. We're going to take our flathead screwdriver, insert it into that opening, and just kind of wiggle it in there. Once it's in, you can twist the screwdriver gently just until you feel it start to open up, just the beginning of the opening. Otherwise, if you twist too hard, you can kind of ding up this area, which you don't want. So once you have this first little opening, I recommend you take your flathead and insert it in the opening and continue twisting. Just work your way down, twisting, twisting, until you can pull it apart easily with your fingers. There we go. The circuit board's starting to come out. Don't worry. You can set down this back piece of plastic, and we actually kind of want the circuit board to come out. That's going to help us. So if it's still stuck in there, just go ahead and gently dump it out. We will work over here for now. You can just slide the battery right out. You can dispose of your old battery and get a new CR2032. Make sure the positive side that has the plus sign on it and the text there, make sure that is going face up. So you will slide that in and see that that is face up. Now we can just take the circuit board, and with the battery facing up, you will set that into the little rubber housing here. Just make sure it's sitting in there nicely, and once it is, you can just click the back piece of plastic back on there, and once you have that done, you are all set and ready to go. I hope that was helpful for you, and if it was, you can always give this video a like or let me know down in the comment section. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can always come back here to this YouTube channel where we have videos for the devices of pretty much every maker model out there. You can also get that information directly over at our website, fobbattery.com.